Isaiah has a vision of coming into the presence of the Lord, and he is undone, right? This is a holier man than I and a holier man than you. And yet he feels his defilement and unholiness when he comes into the presence of God. So this is always the reaction before angels, before a vision of God. People are undone. They're humiliated. Most of our days we live in pride. We pat ourselves on the back. We think well of ourselves. But when we come into the presence of God or one of his angels, reality hits. Okay? We might have been disconnected from reality. We become connected really quickly. And we're humiliated before him. It's too soft to say we're humbled before him. Isaiah wasn't humbled before God. He was humiliated for his defilement before the holy God.